Have you ever pondered the profitability of soap making? In our world today, there's a burgeoning interest in handmade, organic products. This trend has opened a wonderful window of opportunity for those who dare to dive into the art of soap making. Imagine transforming bars of soap into unique, custom creations, each with their own story to tell. Picture the joy on someone's face as they unwrap a soap you've crafted, its scent wafting through the air, a personal touch that mass-produced soaps can't match. As an artisan soap maker, you're not just creating a product but an experience. And what's more, this experience comes with a potential for profit. The appeal of these unique soaps is growing, and with it, the chance to turn your hobby into a gold mine. So, if you've ever dreamed of turning soap into gold, you're in the right place. If this piques your interest, stick around as we delve into the 5 ways you can make money with soap making. Firstly, the most direct route is crafting and selling your own handmade soaps. The process of soap making is a blend of science and art, allowing you to pour your creativity into each bar. Imagine infusing your soap with an array of fragrances, using natural ingredients like lavender, peppermint, or vanilla. Picture swirling in a palette of colors, creating intricate designs that make each soap uniquely yours. Now, once you've crafted your artisanal soaps, it's time to find your market. Platforms like Etsy are a wonderful starting point, providing a global marketplace for your homemade goods. Craft fairs and local markets offer a more intimate setting, letting you connect directly with your customers. You could even consider setting up a dedicated website for your soap business. Remember, each platform has its own vibe and audience. It's vital to understand these nuances to successfully market your products. With a little creativity and marketing, your handmade soaps can bring in a tidy profit. Next, consider running soap-making workshops. It's an exciting way to share your passion and expertise. Picture this: you're teaching eager learners how to craft their own soaps, both in person and virtually. What's more, you can charge a fee for these sessions. So, it's not just about sharing your love for soap making, it's about making it a profitable pursuit. Whether it's a group workshop or a one-on-one session, your soap-making skills can be a money-making asset. Imparting your soap-making knowledge can turn into a profitable venture. On the third note, selling soap-making supplies can garner profits too. You see, as the popularity of soap crafting grows, so does the demand for quality supplies. Imagine setting up an online or brick-and-mortar store offering everything a soap maker could dream of, from essential oils to soap molds. You'd be creating a one-stop shop for all soap-making needs. The beauty of this venture? You're essentially equipping others to create and, in turn, earning from it. Providing the tools for others to create can be a lucrative business. Fourthly, consider writing a book or ebook about soap making. Now you might be thinking, but I'm a soap maker, not a writer. Fear not, for you possess something incredibly valuable: expertise. You've spent countless hours perfecting your craft, troubleshooting issues, and discovering new techniques. Why not share that wealth of knowledge with the world? By creating a comprehensive guide on soap making, you can enlighten beginners, inspire fellow artisans, and even help advance the craft. And the best part? You can do this while generating additional income. There are numerous platforms available for self-publishing, from Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing to Apple's iBooks. These platforms make it easy to publish your work, and they can reach a global audience. The potential for earning is not insignificant. Once you've written and published your book, it can continue to sell without additional effort from you. That's the beauty of passive income. A well-written guide can bring in passive income for years to come. Lastly, why not start a YouTube channel or blog about soap making? The digital world offers limitless possibilities to monetize your soap-making passion. When you share your experiences and expertise online, you open the doors to multiple income streams. One such stream is ad revenue. As your platform grows, so does the potential for earnings from advertisements. Another income source could be sponsorships. Various brands and companies are always on the lookout for influencers in niche markets like soap making to promote their products. And let's not forget about affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting other people's soap making supplies or related products. But remember, the key to success in the digital world is consistency and engagement. Regularly posting informative and engaging content is crucial. Engage with your audience, respond to their comments, and encourage discussions. This will help you build a community around your channel or blog. Sharing your soap-making journey online can turn into a steady income stream. So there you have it. 5 ways to turn soap into a money-making venture. Let's revisit. Crafting and selling your own handmade soaps. conducting soap-making workshops, distributing soap-making supplies, authoring a soap-making book or ebook, and launching a YouTube channel or blog about soap making. These are all exciting opportunities to explore. Remember, the key to success lies in your creativity, determination, and the quality of your soap. So why not make some soap and some money?